Why do we yawn? Not just when we're tired, but when we see someone else do it? It turns out yawning isn't just about oxygen. It's social. Yawning cools your brain, just like a fan cools a hot computer. But here's the twist. We also yawn when others yawn, because of empathy. In studies, people with stronger emotional awareness, like those close to their families or friends, were more likely to catch yawns. Even dogs can catch your yawns. If your dog yawns after you do, it may mean it truly connects with you. Interestingly, people with certain conditions like autism or schizophrenia tend to yawn less in response to others, suggesting the contagious effect is deeply tied to how we read emotions. So next time someone yawns, and you feel the urge to do the same, you're not just tired, you're human. Hit like if your brain made you yawn just now.